This video aims to demonstrate the workflow of Unity's delivery management. Starting from the process of entering the orders. Through the Unity POS, you just need to enter the order and select Delivery and the payment mode. Select the delivery date, time slot, and enter the customer's information. Lastly, enter the customer's mobile number and proceed with the order. Once the system receives the customer's order, it will send an SMS telling the customer that their order has been confirmed. Next will be the logging of payment. Once the customer has made the payment and you verify that payment has been made, you can change the payment status through the apps, after which the customer will receive an SMS. When it comes to delivery, the delivery person will collect the orders via the apps. Using the apps, they will be able to check which are the orders that they have to deliver today. They will first accept the order, after which they will collect the orders that they have accepted. Scan the QR code on the receipt, and they will collect the orders for delivery. Once the order has been collected, customer will receive an SMS telling them that the order is on the way. Next will be the delivery to customer. The delivery person can activate Google Maps to show them the customer's location with reference from their pickup point. After navigating to the customer's location, through the apps, they can ask the customer to sign for collecting of the goods. Once the customer has signed, the order has been completed. Finally, customer will receive an SMS telling them that the order has been delivered. Thank you.